No talk, guys. So I want to give out some helpful advice to get you out of the situation of being a loser. Let's talk about it. The one problem that I see with being a loser is that the person who is one refuse to take a loss, and that's a problem. Part of growing up is knowing your strengths and your weaknesses and knowing when to take a loss. That is called taking accountability for your actions. You see, when you take a L, what you really is taking is not a loss, but a lesson. And the important things about taking a lesson is that you learn from it and you better yourself from it. You don't repeat the same mistakes that you did last time. You learn. Let that be some knowledge for you. Get out there and be great.